Yes. Ah, Keisha. Ah.
Keisha.
Keisha. Keisha. Keisha. Keisha. Keisha. Yes, Keisha. Ready, Keisha. Yes, Keisha. 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 Oh, God. Yes, Keisha. 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 Yes, Keisha. Keisha. Yes. You're 9 months old. 9 months later, Keisha. Yes. Keisha.
Who the f***'s Keisha? Who the f***'s Keisha? Who the f***'s Keisha? F*** you.
Man. Man. Man.
Stop. Stop.
Man.
Stop it, man. Stop it.
Man, one time. Man.
Who's Keisha?
Man, come on to me.
Who the f***'s Keisha?
Man.
No, who's Keisha?
Man, come on to me.
No, who is Keisha?
Man.
Babe, who is
Man, I
Keisha?
don't know any Keisha, man.
Babe, I've got it on f***ing film.
Babe.
Alright? I've recorded what you were saying.
Man. What are you talking about, man?
I was recording what you were saying.
Man.
You were saying I'm about to come, Keisha. Oh, yes, Keisha. I'm not...
Man, what are you talking about, man? Yes. Keisha. Babe,
Keisha.
that's not even real, babe. Hmm?
Babe, you were there for 10 minutes calling her name out.
Babe,
Babe, you were there for 10 minutes calling her name out.
babe, that's just a dream, babe. Huh? I'm sure you call those random guys in your dream as well.
No, never.
Never. Swear to God, never. Swear to God, never.
Babe, stop with the cursing word, babe. 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 Babe, it's just a dream, babe. Hmm? Maybe, babe. Hmm? Babe, look at me, babe. Babe. I don't know any Keisha, babe.
Let me see.
Babe, I don't know any Keisha, babe.
Oh,
Babe, stop
leave
moving.
me.
Babe, stop moving. Babe, stop moving. Stop moving, babe.
Just leave me, please.
Just stop moving.
Just
Babe, I
stop.
don't know any Keisha, babe. Babe, I don't know any Keisha. You hear me, babe? I don't know any Keisha, babe. That's just a dream, man. That's just a dream. Babe, you gonna mind?
But you're still dreaming of someone else. That's
Babe,
not
come
the
on,
point.
babe.
That's not the
Babe, come
point.
on, man.
That's not the point. That's not
Babe,
the point. Babe, please just
babe,
let me
turn.
go. Just let me go. Please
Come on,
just let
babe.
me go. Let me go. Tyrone, let me go. Just let me go. Please, just let me go.
Babe, stop. Babe, stop. Stop, babe. Stop.
Never. Even my ex never ever had a dream like that of another woman.
Babe, stop.
Ever. Never ever. Never
stop.
ever.
Babe, stop. Babe, a dream is not real, babe.
No, it is real.
Babe, a dream is
When
not
you're calling
real.
another woman's name for 10 minutes straight telling her you're about to come, that's pretty f***ed up.
Babe, stop with the cursing word, babe.
No.
Babe. Dream is not real, babe. Come on, man. Stop crying, babe. Babe, stop the crying. Babe, stop. Stop the crying, babe. Baby,
Just let me be, please.
baby,
Just let me be.
baby,
Let me be.
baby. Stop. Alright? Baby, don't cry.
Just stop.
Baby, stop. Don't cry, baby. Don't cry. Baby, don't cry.
No, babe, just leave me alone for a minute. Just leave me alone, alright? Just leave me alone.
Baby,
Leave me alone. Let me go to the toilet, please. I need to go to the toilet. I need to go to the toilet. I'm going to wee myself. Move.
babe,
Babe, move and let me go to the toilet.
baby. Hmm?
Let me go to the toilet, please.
Babe,
I don't want to even look at you.
babe. Stop, babe. It's just a dream, babe. It's just a dream, babe. Come on, babe. I would never do anything to hurt you, babe. Baby,
Just stop for a minute.
Baby.
Please, please just go over there. Please just move down the road. Please, just go.
babe.
Just go.
Babe, I cannot let you go, babe.
I need to go to the toilet though. I'm sorry. I need to go to the toilet. Sorry, I need to go to the toilet. I need to go to the toilet.
Baby, baby,
I need to go to the toilet.
baby.
Okay, she's pretty mad right now. She's in the bathroom.
Babe,
Go away. Stop. What the hell's that for?
Babe,
No, why, babe? Why did you do that for?
you just got pranked. Babe,
So mean.
You just got
True though,
pranked.
they always say if a man dreams of another woman, he's probably cheating on you with that woman. So I was really cut. I've never ever heard anyone like, yeah, not that I have multiple partners or anything, but babe, don't ever do that to me again. That really hurt me, guys. That did. That really hurt.
I'm sorry, babe.
That really hurt.
I'm sorry, but I had to get your reaction.
Yeah, reaction. You wait. You're gonna cop it.
You know, I did a first clip and it didn't work. Like, I think you saw me when I actually, after I set up the camera, you saw, I quickly jumped into bed and you saw that I was awake, so I was like, no, I cannot do the prank yet.
When this morning,
Yeah.
I did look at you.
Yeah,
but
you
I
did
didn't
look
know
at
what
me.
you were up to.
Yeah, that when I quickly jump on the bed and I was like, I cannot do the prank yet, so I stopped the camera because I was like, she wouldn't believe me, guys. She wouldn't believe me that, you know, as I was awake at that time. So if I started doing the prank right away, she wouldn't believe that I was sleeping. So I had to give it about half an hour before I start the prank.
Guys, that was the most wickedest prank ever. Don't ever do that again. Seriously, it will leave her scarred for life. That
Yeah.
scarred me.
And sorry about the footage, guys. There's something wrong with my big camera. I don't know what's going on with the lens or what, but after a while it started to get like blurry, looking like, you know, foggy away. But yeah, apologize for that, guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and Team Africa. Eh?
No Team Africa, nothing.
Yeah, man. Catch us in the next one. The Island Family. I'm on.